Hey everyone! Today is going to be a short video where I show you how to install TA-Lib in Python. TA-Lib is one of the most popular technical analysis libraries out there, but the installation is not as straightforward as just writing pip install TA-Lib. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is check out which version of Python we have and also which version of the operating system we also have. So in order to check the Python version, we'll open a terminal and write Python version. As you can see, I have Python version 3.8.8, and now I just have to check which Windows version I have. So we can get in here, check out this desktop, go to properties, and see that we have a 64-bit operating system. The next thing we'll do is go to the following URL that I'll leave in the description. So let's open a new tab and get in there. And here we have some unofficial Windows binaries for Python extensions. So we are only interested in installing TA-Lib, so we can click on this link. And I had Python version 3.8 and a 64-bit computer, so I'll download this one. Okay, so once it's downloaded, let's go to the downloads folder and copy the file. Now we'll have to copy it and paste it on the following folder. Let's go to this PC, C, users, and your username. In my case, it's Marty, okay? And let's paste the file in here. The next thing we have to do is open a terminal. So let's copy the file name and install it. Let's do pip install the file name .whl. Okay, so now that we've installed this, we can go ahead and install the Python package. So let's do that. Let's type pip install TA-Lib. Sorry, I misspelled that. TA-Lib. As you can see, I already have it installed, but your message will be different. So let's go ahead and test if everything works. I'll test it using a Jupyter notebook. So I'll open up Anaconda, but you can use whatever you want. Jupyter notebook. And let's see, let's create a new file and import TA-Lib. Okay, so that's weird. I actually got an error. So let's try to solve it. Okay, I'm back. So actually it was pretty easy to solve, and the only thing you have to do is, according to this, is to just pip uninstall numpy and pip install numpy, which worked on my computer. So you just have to open a terminal again. I stop Jupyter Notebook and do pip uninstall numpy and pip install numpy. Okay, let's try again. Let's refresh the page and try executing this cell again. So now, as you can see, it imported the TA-Lib package without any errors, so you can go ahead and start using it. So I know this was a short video, but I hope you found it useful, and if you have any further questions, please leave it in the comments and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one.